I returned my camera. I'm currently filming with a camera, right? This is another one. This one got delivered yesterday. I'll show you guys this one carton. I'm waiting for my refund. This place or this place. I'm sure my eyes is looking all puffy right now, but yeah. The guy's eyes.
Oh, the eyes will drop.
It's raining eyes. No. I stopped by this thing to shop. I stopped by African store to get something, but I wasn't able to get everything I needed to get because the pepper was not looking fresh as I wanted to, so I just left that. I got sheep meat, sheep beef, or whatever it is called. I got that alone. I was able to get fish as well because the fish there was not looking big, so I just need them to restock before going back to get whatever. It's just rained, so there is this thing, the reflection of water on the glass on my face. Looks like wrinkles. I'm just here. I need to do my training. I am here to be done, so I have about 7 or 8 to go. Okay, 7. I'm currently on 1, and I just hope by the end of today I am done with everything because deep down I am tired. I'm tired of this training. I'm tired of training, tired of week, tired of latches. See, I'm just tired of everything. I look good by the way. Guys, I ate my corn already. The corn tastes so good. I do not want everything sell to be finished, if I'm being honest, but I wanted to make another one. I just had to like keep the remaining one for babe to do it for him tomorrow. I was supposed to tell him to get about 5 pieces, so the 5 is going to be 10 because it's 2 in 1, right? But I told him to get 2. The only goodness knows why. This thing tastes so freaking good. It tastes fresh and nice, really, really nice. I returned my camera. The camera was giving me stress, and I just thought that, baby girl, it's too early to be going through this kind of stress for something you just got. I'm waiting for my refund to be made so I can order for another one. It's like my leg is aching, like, yeah. Time for corn. I have 4 corn here. Let's roast this. Now I have to check my corn, my roasted corn. Let's see how the corn is doing. This thing tastes so good, so fresh. Tastes like there's sugar inside. And funny enough, there's no sugar. You see, back in my country, I used to buy this thing 500 naira one. But this 500 naira one here is always looking so fresh and big. I think that is the highest I have bought for just myself alone. And that was, I think, 6 pieces or 7 pieces. I ate everything alone, all by myself. I'm eating everything. The burnt one, even the burnt one itself is sweet. So good. It looks so good. I feel so happy this morning. Today I want to make beans. It's been a while since we ate beans in this house. This year I have not even prepared anything like beans at all. Okay.
And occasionally getting up to raid the pantry. It's in the canopy. Right down where no large predators roam.
I slept, guys. I slept this afternoon. It was just so cold. I do not know why. Like, why? See, I just went to relax. I woke up. Immediately I woke up, I came here to like brush my teeth because I ate beans and I don't want beans to start getting stuck in every corner of my mouth. See, not just beans alone here. Any food, anytime I eat, I like to like brush my teeth because yeah. And now I have to get into the kitchen to sort everything out. I have to clean the fridge because that fridge is not given, and after doing that I have to arrange everything we got this afternoon. Or that was not the one that went to get it. Babe got everything. I wrote, everything for him, and he got it. So I had to arrange everything because I left everything in the kitchen. I just know for some reasons I was just feeling sleepy. It's sleep time. I'm sure my eyes is looking all puffy right now, but yeah, I have to sleep. I'm so glad I was able to sort out everything I needed to sort out. The only thing I have to do left is just to read and just sleep. If you're still watching right now, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching up to this very moment. I hope you enjoyed watching. There is something I need to talk about. What is it? Yeah, this thing Amazon, the issue, what am I saying? The refund has been issued. My camera, the refund has been issued, and I am honestly so happy about that. But it's just yet to get into my account. It's yet to be deposited into my account. So in 5 days, or let's say 3 to 5 days, yeah, it should be in my account. Then I can order for another camera. So once I order for another camera, probably my next vlog, it's going to be filmed with my camera, something like that. I'm not sure, but yeah, I can't wait to just order for something else, the camera, because I really have to know, the in and out of the camera so I can get the best out of it. That is it. Yep, I need to sleep so I can wake up very early. I have been waking up quite early lately and I kind of like it. I am doing my lashes, or should I say I am done. I think I have to like add to this place or this place. Let me try no one. So this is not double, this is just single or true. What do you think? Is it given or is not given? So this is what I used. I got this from Temo. Today is Sunday. I wanted to go to church today. I did set alarm yesterday for 8 a.m. Tell me how I slept around 6 a.m. I had to like join online service. So hopefully next week I am able to go to physical church. May God help me so I can go next week. Yeah, that is everything. I just wanted to update you all on what I have been up to. I returned my camera. I'm currently filming with a camera, right? But I returned my camera. So this is another one. This one got delivered yesterday. I'll show you guys this one carton. Here is my dinner. Like, so good, girl. And this is the camera, the new one that got delivered. Okay, episode 13. Play episode. Let's watch some movie. I have been awake since morning, and this is afternoon already. See, I have been on this. I have been in the sitting room doing what? See, I have just been shopping, and I can't even believe how much I have spent. But I am not done shopping here. I still have to like take my card to make the last payment. Like, it's not shopping for just me. I'm kind of like shopping for Okay. Okay, my face is probably looking white. I'm here to wash my face and my lip is looking all dry, so don't mind me. Let me go and wash my face. I brushed my teeth this morning already. Like immediately I woke up, I brushed my teeth. So I just finished washing my face just with water, and I'm just going to off this, get into the kitchen and cook, because I have to cook. I have to cook soup. I prepared fried rice on, I guess, Sunday or something, so I have to prepare soup now. Yeah, I don't even know what to wear here. Let's do this soon. Hi, I'm currently in the kitchen. As you can tell, I woke up a few minutes ago. I just left the shower. I washed my face. I did not bath. You guys know, yeah, if you're very used to this channel, then you know I love to cook before having my shower. So that is what we are onto this morning. I have alright plantain on the gas, so this is cooking. I need to make this thing with it. I need to fry yam. I think that will be the best combination for the morning. It's been a while since I had that, so let's get straight into it.